crystal clear windows without the hassle. Today, we're counting down the 5 best robot window cleaners that shine your windows completely on their own. Smart technology, powerful performance, even works flawlessly on frameless glass. Stick around till the end, and you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. Meet the CHOVERY CL1 Robot Window Cleaner, the ultimate solution for sparkling clean windows without any effort. Powered by under 800 watts and featuring a 5-meter cord, it offers the perfect balance of power and reach. Designed to work worldwide with 110 to 240 volts and multiple plug options, US, EU, UK, and AU, so you can use it anywhere, anytime. Safety is guaranteed with CE, CB, RoHS, and UL certifications, plus an emergency power supply system that keeps it running even during power cuts. Chemical-free and built with durable materials, this smart window cleaner makes your life easier and your windows spotless. Upgrade your cleaning game. Grab the CHOVERY CL1 today. Item number 4. Meet the ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner, a smart and powerful solution for spotless windows. It features dual ultrasonic spray nozzles that clean in 3 directions, removing tough stains quickly. With a German brushless motor and 3000 PS suction power, it cleans deeply and quietly. Its advanced SLAM 4.0 system plans the best cleaning route and detects edges to prevent falls. Control it easily via remote or smartphone app and choose from 4 cleaning modes, including targeted spot cleaning. Designed with safety in mind, it has a 4-meter safety rope and 40-minute UPS battery backup to keep it secure. The slim design fits all window types, even frameless glass. Make window cleaning effortless with the ABIR WD8. Smart, safe, and efficient. Item number 3. Introducing the Liectroux YW509 Robot Window Cleaner. Engineered for smart, spotless cleaning. With dual water spray, 3000 PA suction, and laser-guided navigation, it tackles dirt with surgical precision. Whether it's framed or frameless glass, this robot adapts instantly, guided by intelligent path planning in Z, N, or combined modes. Its anti-slip wheels, floating pad plate, and UPS backup ensure stable, safe performance, even during power cuts. Control it effortlessly via remote and enjoy ultra-quiet cleaning thanks to a powerful brushless motor. From windows to tiles, it's the ultimate solution for modern homes. The YB509 cleans smarter, not harder. Item number 2. Meet the Liectroux YW810, the smarter way to clean your windows. Equipped with dual ultrasonic water spray and a 70ml tank, it cleans up to 50 square meters in one go. Its advanced SLAM navigation system and smart memory ensure precise, edge-aware cleaning with every pass. Powered by a German brushless motor and 2800 PA suction, it sticks firmly and cleans deeply, silently. Control it via app or remote and enjoy voice-assisted updates in real time. With a super slim 82mm body, it's perfect even for anti-theft windows. And with UPS backup and a safety rope lock, it stays secure even during power cuts. The YW810, intelligent, safe, and made for a spotless view. Item number 1. Say goodbye to streaky windows with the Puruikai PRK309. This smart window cleaning robot features automatic water spray, powerful vacuum suction, and wide 4.5-meter cord reach, perfect for high or hard-to-reach glass. With support for remote control, it offers effortless, hands-free operation. Whether you're tackling dust, grime, or rain spots, the PRK309 delivers a sparkling clean every time. Designed for household use, it's compact, powerful, and built for daily convenience. Experience smart cleaning with safety, ease, and efficiency, only with Puruikai. Which of these robot window cleaners is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.